We can have a lot of different ways to look at the election data, and you can tell that you can verify this fact by looking at how many people making a profession by writing political columns, like journals, newspapers, stuff like that. We will take a particular view angle in this task. We will apply our knowledge of information theory, and we will approach this. We will attack this problem from this particular angle. So keep this in mind and remind yourself constantly that this is one single view angle of this very complex problem. Okay, you have alternatives. So the investigation we will have a look is well, the result of the American election is we can almost nowadays people agree on nothing but one thing. People agree that you have huge disagreement on that, and there are a lot of uncertainty in the result. So we would look at how much uncertainty in the result of the election, and how we can remove those uncertainty by as much as possible by step-by-step analytics into this piece of information that is available. We will have a look at how many votes Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump received in 2016, and we used the total ballot, the total number of ballots, and try to investigate how possible for an average American to vote. That is, if the American voted at all, to vote for each of the candidates. This will tell us this piece of let's create a new code to explain this piece. This will tell us the votes. Oh well, I haven't executed this piece, sorry about that. This will tell us how many votes Hillary Clinton received in each county, and correspondingly, if we take the sum of all these numbers, we will get the total number of votes she received in 2016. So if you just do that, and it is very convenient. This is an object created by Pandas library, and it gives us all different kind of convenience to analyze the data. Here is the number, well, quite a number, and correspondingly, we can calculate how many votes received by Donald Trump, and then we can use their respective number divided by the total votes to get the probability an average American will vote for whom. Okay, therefore we calculate these probabilities. Okay, and remind ourselves in our learning of the decision trees, the entropy of this probability, the probability of an average American vote for two candidates, this probability, okay, the uncertainty thing is to two candidates, which one the American votes. Well, the measurement of this uncertainty is the entropy of this binary distribution. To understand that, that means if you want to transmit the information of such an observation of such the probability, how many bits you will need. So I would recommend you to recall some of your information background, information theory background of this definition, but it's not vitally important in this task because we provide the computation here. So let's do that. Oh, the entropy is very close to 1, and that is to be expected. Look, they are very close to each other. That means you mostly have half chance of voting for each of the candidates, and therefore to pass the information, if I'm meeting an average American, the half means I almost have maximum uncertainty about his or her vote. Therefore, I will need 1 bit of information to describe who he or she will vote. So basically we explain this quantity. Okay, that is the basic computation we will use. Let's consider the idea that maybe we can use some other kind of information to reduce the uncertainty of these voting decisions, and that is for the next video.